Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, we will learn together how to insert our plans into sheets. So, having our plans in the title block. To do so, you can go to View, and from View, you can go to the sheet composition here and click on Sheet. You will get this menu in which you can choose the size of your paper. What we have uploaded here is only the A1 metric. Okay, let me just cancel this for a second. You can also create your own sheet by going to the project browser here. Make sure you do not click on any of the components and go to the project browser. Add the sheet here. Right click and new sheet. Again, the same menu will be created. To load in a title block of a different size, all you have to do is click on load and make sure you are in title blocks. So libraries, English, US metric. Then search for the title block. Double click, and from here you can choose the size of your paper, A4, A3, A2, or A1, and A0. For this example, let's take A3, click on open, and OK. Now, this is the title block in which you will insert your sheet in. To bring your plan into this border or into this title block, there are two different ways to do it. First one, you can either go to the project browser here and simply drag, let's say, the ground floor all the way to here and release your button. Now, as you can see, you have this border here in which you choose where you would like to insert your plan. If you just simply click, you'll have your plan inserted. Okay, what is the other way to do that? Let's just delete this for a second. You can go to View, and from View, choose the plan in which you want to upload into the title block here. So let's say we want the top of foundation, add view to sheet, and again you can choose the position. We would like to have it this way, and escape. So what you can see here, and as you all noticed, that the plan is bigger than the title block. So there's an issue with the scaling. How do we scale down our plan? Make sure you click on the plan and then click on Activate View. Now you can actually change your columns, your footings, your foundations from here. Or if you want to change the scale, let's change it to 1 to 200. So it got very small this time. How about 1 to 100, let's say. Okay, it's too big. So we need a scale, a custom scale that is neither 1 to 100 or 1 to 200, something in between. So let's try 1 to 50, 1 to 150 basically. To do that, click on the drop down arrow, scroll up, click on custom, and now you can change the scale value. Let's have it as 1 to 150. Enter. Okay, now it looks better. To move your plan up in the middle of the sheet, just click outside here, double click. Now you can click on your port and drag it up. A little bit down maybe. Yes, this looks good. Okay. Now how about the east, the south, and the west bubbles here. How can we get rid of these bubbles? Again, click and then click on Activate View. You can simply only hide them by clicking on one of the bubbles, right click, then go to Hide in View and choose Category. So they're gone. And this is your first plan. To create a new sheet with another plan, all you have to do is go to Sheets, New Sheet, A3 metric, and let's have the ground floor this time. So click on the ground floor and simply drag it, click. Now again, it's too big. To change the scale, go to the view scale here and go to custom and change it to 1 to 150. Okay. Now drag it so that it is in the center. And to get rid of the bubbles, activate view, click on one of the bubbles, right click, select all, hide in view and category, and it's gone.